You try to teach them that work ethic, you gotta put them to work. So this was our project. He did the digging, I did the supervising, and the gluing, and the attaching. Bam! Okay, can't tell me nothing now. I'm gonna hook it, some drip irrigation over here. I always said I wasn't gonna do that, but hey, why not? And it's gonna save water and time. And I basically don't have time for the mess, so that'll work. So I definitely got all of that covered, and I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get it to the rest. So I have ground mold, so I had a bright idea to use this stuff I had laying around to protect this tubing when I stick it under the ground a little bit. I ain't going deep. It's just gonna be a split in the ground and that going in it. And I'm a gardener. Of course I done found something to use for something it ain't supposed to be used for. Me supervising how I do. Get to work, young buck. Look at them damn shoes. That's why he can't hardly dig. Nonetheless. Now this is what it looked like. And I gotta figure out, do I want to just leave it here and just smash the grass over it, or go a little further? I don't think I need to go further. It's fine with me. I just need to get from here to there without the tubing on the ground. I don't want to risk cutting it. I don't want to just stick it by itself under the ground, because the ground mold, well, I keep saying moles, but it's voles. The ground voles might get it. And I don't know. I think it's going to work. I'm just wing it and try. Yeah, so I'm going to just do like this. It'll be all right. If I ain't doing, I don't know who is. Yeah, it'll be all right. I'm going to finish doing what I'm doing. Add one more piece at this end to make sure I don't tear up nothing. And that should be pretty good. Try again, motorcycle. I done recorded the whole video with no sound. So now what I said was, in summary, this is what I have. This is called a little hammer. This keeps your pipes from knocking on the inside. This is a timer, of course. I think this is called a pressure regulator. No, this is the pressure regulator. This is a backflow preventer. I don't know. It's some little pieces on here. I don't know what they is. I just had to research and figure out what I was doing, and I did it. And it comes down to here, and this is where everything split and gets started. So I made a U around the whole garden with the main line, with a piece coming up through the middle. So then I don't know what you call these little pieces. They don't drip. That's just like connecting the main line to the drip line, so you can get to where you need to go. So I have the main line right here that's coming to all my fruit trees right here with the drip line in it. You see this one? And I just did it like in a circle around all my trees. Let's see, I have it going all around these flowers in the back, so they can get something, and the flowers in the front and the sides, so they can get something. And I have the main line coming through the middle to get closer to some of the things, so I can, weave through the beds. Some of them I took a part of the main line and then made the little drip lines off of it. And then some of them I just went up with a little connection and then made the drip line all whirly and swirly and stuff with no main line in it. So either way works. And from here, that's where I had to come over here on this side. That's the little tuck in, so I don't mess it up. That comes around here to this back part, so I can get to my pools. And I just have the line coming off up into the pools. And over here is tucked in right here. I found all kinds of pipes and old table legs and all kinds of mess to tuck off this main line because I don't want it to get messed up by the ground voles. And of course I couldn't just leave it on top of the ground to get ran over by the lawnmower and stuff. So anyway, I got these grapes circled up around there under that mulch. And then it goes through these bushes around back here. This is the part where y'all seen him tucking it in. And it goes over here to my last area, which is where my peppers and things at. And it's just whirled around. Head water, a lot of it just evaporates anyway. It's not getting down deep into the roots where you need it. That drip, when I stick my finger down up in there, it's the soil is wet, wet, wet all the way down up in there for like days. So I think I set my timer for like every 3 days for 40 minutes. That's all I have to do for now until summertime. Summer, I'll probably move it to twice a day. I mean, every other day or every day. But yeah, grow you some food because we all got to eat. And by the way, I did get this from DripWorks. And no, it's not sponsored, but that is where I got it. And it's good. Oh, let me show you the connections why I like it. I like the connections because they got these little easy connects. You just twist, stick the thing up in there and twist it to tighten it. You don't have to fight with all that. But you do need to wear gloves because when you putting on those little pieces, all the drip lines, all those little connections and stuff, they hurt your fingers. Bad. All right, I'm out. Holla.